Good afternoon. In the last class, I discussed about accounting principles, accounting the conventions as well as concepts. Now, today, I am going to tell you about this accounting standards. Before going to accounting standards, I want to tell you what is accounting. Accounting is a language of a business. And what is a standard? A standard is one which will be stable for years together and which won't have any change at all. All the standards we are having in all the sectors in our daily life. In the same way, there must be some standards in accounting policies, in accounting procedures. For this, some people they tried a lot. Okay, from the year of beginning up to the year of 1972, so many people they used to follow so many methods and they used to prepare the financial statement, that is profit and loss account and balance sheet, according to their whims and fancies. And in the year 1972, okay, 9 countries and 16 accounting bodies, they came to a conclusion that we have to keep some standards, thereby all the people they can able to understand and they can able to prepare their financial statements in a good manner. So 9 countries, for example, USA, UK, Canada, Japan, Germany, Netherlands, like that some countries, etc. And 16 accounting bodies from these 9 countries, they came together and they formulated a committee known as International Accounting Standards Committee. And this International Accounting Standards Committee, it was established and it came into existence in the year 1973. And it kept some standards for the purpose of the businessman, for the purpose of the accountants in doing this accounting procedures and in doing this accounting procedures and practices. And they assist to prepare the financial statement, that is profit and loss account and balance sheet, in a good manner. The other thing is to find out the alternative norms and forms in presenting the financial statements in a very easy and understandable manner. And we will have 23 international accounting standards. And these international accounting standards, okay, they were very prudent and they were very stubborn and they were in a position to give the guidelines for different accountants in their different countries. In the same way, our India also it want to establish the accounting standards in our country. So for this, 2 institutions, ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and ICWAI, Institute of Cost Works Accountants of India, they formed into a council and they seek the help of the International Accounting Standards Committee to give some standards, okay, which will be useful for the Indian conditions and Indian businesses. The International Accounting Standards Committee that has given some standards for this council, and the council they established a board. That is Indian Accounting Standards Board. We will call simply as ASB, and it was formulated in the year 1977. That is 21st April 1977, and the board it is helping from that day onwards. It is helping on it seeks the industrial concerns, big industrial concerns, commercial undertakings, business units to follow these standards when they are preparing these financial statements. Okay, now who are the persons? Who are the persons that are there for taking this international accounting standards? Chamber of Commerce of India, okay, CBDT, that is Central Board of Direct Taxes, and Comptroller and Audit General of India. All these people, they seek the importance, they seek this international accounting standards for adopting themselves and to prepare the financial statements in a very easy manner. And they also seek the assistance of this ASB in finding out the various alternative ways for them to adopt this ASB. It is very necessary for any country as it is helping in guiding the institutions or industries or commercial undertakings in preparing their financial statements. One thing I want to tell you is previously we are preparing the financial statements in a horizontal manner, but that procedure was outdated, and a new procedure, that is nothing but preparation of financial statements in vertical form, it came into existence. With this vertical form, the preparation of financial statements, it became precise. Of course, it must be prepared. They must be prepared with some workings and schedules along with that. Thereby, it became very easy for the people to represent the data or represent the information in a easy and understandable manner. It is also necessary for India to have these accounting standards because new undertakings, new industries, they are coming and they have to follow the international accounting standards without seeking the help of others. Once, if this accounting standards, if they are kept, people, they can able to understand what the procedures and how the procedures are there, and they can develop themselves or better than the previous ones. This is very necessary. This is very necessary in order to regulate the preparation of financial statements of different units and guide them in rectifying the various mistakes or problems whatever they are facing. This is about the Accounting Standards Board, that is ASB. And the scope of this accounting standards, it is very easy. That is, first one is conformity. Then do not override the regulations, legal regulations. Third one is to intend to apply in items which are material, and best endeavors to pursue government uniformity in financial statements and the concentration on basic matters. These are the various scopes that we come across for ASB people. First one is conformity. That is, ASB people will confirm that these things must be done. These things must be done when you are preparing these financial statements. These are to be prepared first when you are going to prepare the financial statements. Second one is, do not override the legal regulations. See, the ASB people, they will verify everything, but they don't override their legal regulations and requirements. Within the scope of the legal regulations, rules, they are following and they are assisting the concerns, industrial concerns in preparation of these statements. Then after that, intended to apply to items which are of material. See, material things must be taken into account. Okay, unnecessary matters we should not take into account. So what are the material things that we have to take, and for taking the essential materials, they will help in making the people to understand and to use that according to their availability, according to their conditions. And the fourth one is best endeavors to government. See, the government, with the development of industries, with the development of the economy, the government also must develop. And it will give good endeavors to the government in levying the taxes, in collecting the taxes, all these things. Basing upon the financial statements of a business concern or a unit or a commercial this undertaking, the government people will be in a position to take the tax amounts and do some favor for those units. And lastly, to concentrate basic matters. You see, some people they will forget, but the SB people will make those people to concentrate on the basic matters and make them to understand, make them to go for the processes, procedures, all these things, and make them to understand the subject matter in a well versed manner. So the scope of ASB is gradually increasing from small stage to big stage, and it became a very very big board, a very very big board, taking into account all the industrial concerns that were there in India and the various ways of doing these accounting systems in India. Okay, in the next class, I'm going to tell you about the various ASB accounting standards. So please be careful and concentrate on this accounting standard because they are very very important after accounting principles. And after this, whatever it may be, the comment that you want to keep, you please keep the comments in the comments box. And then whatever it may be the doubts, either in the subject or in any other subject, please forward your doubts so thereby I can be in a position to clarify those doubts. Okay, so I'm just stopping over here, and in the next class we'll go for the ASBs. Thank you.